Global markets saw a robust upswing today, the key indices in the Americas region posting significant gains. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged 436.24 points, closing at 43,589, reflecting broad-based confidence among investors. Similarly, the S&P 500 climbed 66.33 points to 6,000, while the NASDAQ soared by 292.35 points, finishing at 19,630, a strong indication of investor appetite for tech-heavy growth sectors. On the volatility front, the VIX index eased by 0.91 point, marking a shift toward calmer markets as uncertainties appear to recede. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000, a barometer of small cap performance, added 12.91 points, signaling growth optimism across sectors. The Canadian market mirrored this bullish sentiment, with the S&P TSX Composite advancing 2.23 percentage points and the S&P TSX 60 up 14.55 points. South American Bovespa in Brazil also saw a hefty gain of 1,427 points, continuing its upward momentum. In Latin America, the S&P BMV IPC of Mexico posted the robust increase of 318.82 points, while Childs S&P IPSA edged higher by 7.88 points, reflecting positive regional uptrends. Today's global rally underscores improving investor confidence, likely fueled by strong corporate earnings and easing inflation concerns. While risks remain on the horizon, the widespread gains signal optimism for sustained economic growth in 2025. The commodity market presented a mixed performance today as precious metal continued their upward momentum, while energy product and some agricultural commodity faced declines. Gold stood adding $6.20 to reach $2,757.10, maintaining its reputation as a safe haven amid fluctuating market conditions. Silver, however, struggled, losing $0.46 to close at $31.26, reflecting divergent trends within the metal sector. On the energy front, WTI crude oil dipped $0.25 to settle at $77.60, and Brent crude oil followed suit, slipping $0.17 to $81.12. These declines suggest a potential stabilization in oil prices after recent volatility, likely influenced by global supply adjustment and demand concerns. Meanwhile, the natural gas experienced a sharper drop, down $17.0, closing at $3.55, highlighting persistent challenges in the energy market, such as oversupply and milder than expected winter demand. In agriculture, soybeans provided a bright spot, climbing 0.19% to $10.38, reflecting a strong global demand and potentially lower supply due to weather-related disruptions. Today's commodity movements reflect the broader market nuanced reaction to evolving economic conditions, including monetary policy shift, geopolitical tensions, and weather pattern. Investors are advised to remain vigilant and diversify their portfolios to navigate this dynamic